there, this is Deb here, and I'm here to talk to you today about one of my favorite products of all time. So I have helped create this Postpartum Ear Seed Kit, and this kit was done in conjunction with earseeds.com. So the reason why I created it is because I see so many women in my clinic who come in for natural promotional labor that want to make sure they don't go over their due date. So they're trying to avoid an induction. So I do this needlepoint protocol in my clinic often, but then I can put the ear seeds on them and they can stimulate at home. So the ear is a microcosm of the whole body, and there's specific points for different things, and it's really easy to use. So inside of the kit has the ear with a map of the points, the description of the points, and then also 120 ear seeds and the tweezer. So it's really easy for your partner to use. Use the back side of the tweezer, press in, and wherever it's tender is going to be the points that you might need. So you might only need a couple of points. But there's a recent PubMed study that came out that improves effectiveness of lactating mom if they're having insufficient lactation. There's a lot of different things. You could use this with C-section recovery. You can use it from episiotomy, low energy, stress, all those different things. So it's wonderful. It's easy to use for postpartum moms, and it's a wonderful baby shower gift for somebody that you might love who is pregnant. So check it out and pick up your kit today.